Hello everyone, and welcome to Jumperman Tech, where we specialize in HVAC but do everything DIY. And today we're going to perform a coil cleaning on a condenser. Thank you to everyone tuning into Jumperman Tech. During my last visit, I found the system operating on high head pressure, and I suspected that the condenser coil was dirty, but there was no access panels. So what we did is that we cut into it, and sure enough, the coil is packed. We're gonna brush down that dirt, vacuum it up, maybe hit it with the air compressor to push some of the dirt out, vacuum again, apply some acid, and rinse it down with water. Just brush down the coil. It's already looking 10 times better. That is a heavy amount of dirt. Next step, we're gonna vacuum everything up. Just the front of the coil, a bunch of dirt as well. Something to keep in mind with this indoor unit, it's this side of the coil that's gonna get dirty. This side is getting the fresh air. So next, we're just gonna vacuum everything up, front and back. Since we have an air compressor available, we're gonna use it and we're gonna shoot all the dirt out. See whatever we can get. The coils are pretty much new, so we don't want to use something too corrosive. So we're going to use this product here with a small pressure washer. Cool little pressure washer here. This side, you fill out the bucket with the chemical and it pulls from there. And you just shoot it out through here. You have a long hose. So now we're going to apply the cleaner on both sides of the coil. Let it sit, hit it again, and I'm gonna apply the whole bucket on here, let it hang out, and then we're gonna rinse everything off with water. Applied. We're gonna let that sit and go to work, and then we're gonna rinse everything off. Just set up a fresh bucket of water, and we're gonna use a whole bucket to rinse that off. Buckets of water. First bucket was chemical and water, and the second bucket was fresh water. Really rinsed this thing down, blew out all the dirt, cleaned all the dirt. It's looking really good. So we're just gonna clean up everything else, Make sure everything's nice and dry. Give it a little time to dry itself. Start the unit and check the pressures. This system contains refrigerant 410A, and yesterday we were running at a 500 head pressure. So let's see what this coil cleaning actually did. Everything should be just about dry. What we're gonna do is just get a quick pressure reading and make sure our pressures came down. All right, so we've been running for about 15 minutes now. Our head pressure is just over 400 with a back pressure just under 150. Considering we were just under 500 yesterday, I'd say it's a success. We're gonna check out the rest of the unit, supply and return temperatures, but that's pretty much it. If anybody found this video interesting or helpful, please drop a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll catch you all next time.